I'm bored. And I'm hungry. And I'm making myself to a party. A party? But no cake, no balloons, no problem. But this is a sandwich. Done. Drum, please. What do I make for donkey? I'm gonna make a sandwich with jam. I want jam, sticky sweet, yummy. Tastes so good. What do you want to make, dear? I want to make a sandwich with cheese. One big piece. Tastes so nice. What do you want to make, mouse? I want to make a sandwich with veggies. With a crunchy crunch. Tastes so munchy. And now, I want to make a sandwich with anything. Bread, jam, cheese, veggie. Bread, jam, cheese, veggie. Bread, jam, cheese, veggie. But how are we going to eat 'em? It's too tall for a bite. I'm going to squish you down. Squish! Squish! Ah, 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 ah. Dog? I'm not sure that's a good idea. Almost got him down to time. Huh? Everybody get down! It's gonna to blow! My sandwich! I'm gonna have a sandwich without sandwich. We have to do something. But the green is all gone. We can make animal sandwiches. I got it! We each share a little bite of sandwiches. They will nothing all of us. But how got the sandwich? Hey dog, we can have those bite with you. Then try it. I will. Just one thing first. Drum, please. Do you love sandwiches, dear? Yeah, they're delicious and easy to move in. Earlier, we made sandwiches from donkey and mouse. Question so. What do you say, him? What do you want to make for? Say again with us. Wait, what do you make it? What do you want to make for? I want to make some cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Oh dear. Today's Will's birthday. I wish I have a birthday cake. Happy birthday, Will! Wow, it's so beautiful. See you next time. Bye bye, dear. Bye bye, dog.